Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shweta. Today is a clothing haul and I used to do a lot of these videos when I started my channel, and lately I have been very lazy to go out shopping, but when it comes to makeup you have to visit me in a rehab center with a plate of biryani. That's how bad it is. But when it comes to clothes, I think the fact that it's half the time in London, in England itself, it is so miserable, the weather, it is so cold, so when you go out you're always covered up or layered up. So I haven't gone and experimented with what the high street fashion is all about, but I do keep a check on what the trends are. But this video is mainly centered around this one brand called Cupshe, because they were so kind enough to send me a few gifts from their brand. Okay, now Cupshe is very similar to Shein or what is that other, Zaful. These are online shopping things that you will see pop up in your Facebook feed. And in the past I wasn't very sure of going and shopping in Shein or Cupshe, because when it comes to sizing I have to be extremely careful, because most of the clothes are made in China, and China, we all know, when it comes to women of my size, they are not very familiar with dressing us up. And the first item that I wanted to show you is this denim jacket that they sent me. There is a nice faded look to it. I like the fact that it has a zipper that goes all the way. It's kind of a high neck. And my only problem is that the zipper, how you can just take out a few of the jackets like this does not come out. It is completely stuck, so you have to put the jacket over your head. It's quite smart. It's got its pockets, and what I like about it is also that it comes with an innerwear which is almost like a knitwear. It's like a sleeveless knitwear with a hood, so if you want to step out just casually, you can wear this over your jeans. Or if you're really petite and you go for an oversized jacket, then you can definitely wear just this and your boots and you're good to go. So like I said, I haven't done too many online shopping. If you'd like to see me do a Shein haul, do let me know and I'll try to work myself around it. But I do know for a fact that Cupshe itself, their customer service, they were quite proactive, so if there's any problem I'm sure they will get back to you immediately. Since I've got a lot of clothes, I need to style it the way Shweta styles. That was sad. Now I don't think I'm going to try this on right here on camera, okay? I'm just going to somehow place it right here just to show you that the first half is this very palm tree kind of an effect, and I love the fact that the bottom half is these stripe panels, and it is striped in such a way that if you can see the stripe, it is not those straight stripes. It's got a little slant to it, so anything that's got a little slant or straight lines will always give you an illusion of a slimmer body, because straight lines will make you look much more bigger. So always remember that when you're going for stripes. And I also like the fact that it's got this armhole, and then you tie it up so that it really covers the chest area really well. I like the fact that it is padded so that when you get a little nippy when you jump into a cold water, the whole world doesn't see your chest area with pointy alien kind of things jutting out. Then the last item from Cupshe which I got is this checked dress, and I think it's almost like a tunic and it's really smart. It has reds and it has the dark blue green, very Scottish inspired I feel, and I got it in the size medium, and I think I could pair this with some stockings and some red boots, like really beautiful bright red booties, or even blue color, whatever the color that is showing out here, you can wear that boots as well, or knee-high boots, whatever it is, it'll look really smart. I can wear this during winter as well, because it's got that, it's quite a warm material, and if I have to layer it with a jacket, it'll look really smart. Now my best friend came to visit me, Sabah. If you followed me on Insta stories, you would have known that I was seeing her after a good bloody 20 years, but she gave me this what you call this sweatshirt, okay? I love it, and over here on this sweatshirt it says Canada. I love the fact, what I love mostly about it is I haven't seen a sweatshirt with a hoodie so big. This is that proper hoodie that covers your entire face, and I really like the color. The color is incredible. It's so warm, so comfortable. It is great for this harsh winter that we are facing in London, and I really like it. Then she got me this denim shirt dress from Gap, and the girl definitely knows my style, okay, and I'm really happy with that. I love the zipper details on it. I love anything with a really good solid hardware. And yeah, and it's got this belt around it that you can just tie it up and it just gives you a much more slimmer fit. I can wear this over you know, my knee-high boots or booties, or I could just wear sneakers like my white sneakers with it. I really like it and I can't wait to style this for the blog. Few things I'm going to quickly show you what I picked up from H&M. When I saw this basic red shirt. I've worn this so many times in my tutorials and so many of you have actually written to me saying that this is such a pretty one. It has almost like a bandhani effect to it, and it's a nice loose fitted red shirt with these white small like almost like a Christmas tree little design to it. So soft, it's so flowy, it gives you a nice silhouette to the body, and I thought for the price that I paid, it was totally worth it. Another item that I picked up from H&M quite some time ago is this huge ass extra large knitwear. Okay, this was around 19 pounds or something of that sort, but just look at this. This is such a beautiful material. It's a beautiful color. I love my whites. You guys know how much I love my basic blacks and whites. I'm never going to change that fact, but it's warm, it's cozy, it's lovely. I like the fact that it's got this really beautiful high neck. I told you, H&M is killing it at the moment. Now the next one I want to show you is from Stradivarius. They are a sister company of Zara is what I believe, and I got this oversized the softest shirt I have ever come across, very similar to the H&M one, polka dot shirt, and it looks so lovely. It's so nice. This is in the size large, and this is just a basic shirt. It looks really nice when you tuck it in with your black pants or even with jeans and black boots and whatever it is. It looks really smart. The item I wanted to show you is from Zara, is this beautiful stunning knitwear. Look at that. But the quality of this knit, I hate a knitwear that is really itchy. This is really soft. I like the design on it. If you can see, it's got that really intricate knit patterns to it. It's a high neck knitwear. It looks so bloody good. It's so warm. It just keeps you nice, snug and warm, and it just comforts you in the most beautiful way. And I wear this over my jeans and my brown boots, whatever colored boots it is. This one is definitely going to stand out. So yeah, this is another thing from Zara. I picked up this jacket from H&M. I love this jacket. When I went to Jamaica, this black jacket in H&M was completely sold out, and they only had an olive green, a khaki color, which I picked up. This is that perfect jacket to wear when you are traveling. Look at that. I love the high neck quality to it. When you wear this with your black jeans and boots, and it just adds a little bit of a class to your outfit. This particular jacket is just designed in such a way. Can you see the end? It's almost like it gives a beautiful shape to your waist. Okay, then the last one I got is from La Boutique Secret. This is the crossover rib top with slit. And there was a sale going on in this vintage shop. Where was this? Alright, so I went to see my friend at West Ham, so completely forgot her. And the way it hugs your body, it makes you look so nicely slim, and it just gives your body a nice shape, you know. So if you're very worried about your waist area, you can definitely wear a Spanx, but I just thought that this with some leather skirt or anything of your choice, it'll look really nice. It's got that ribbed knitwear effect. I love it. So that is the end of the western wear outfit. I wanted to show you two Indian outfits, two saris that I got as gifts. Because it's a haul, it's a fashion haul, I thought I might as well show you. One is this beautiful sari with this printing of, it's a Kerala dance form, okay, which I shall just insert it right here, what the dance form is. So it is a traditional, that Christian Malayali folk dance, okay, which this designer called Jebin, I'll leave his Instagram handle over here. I did collaborate with him the last time I was in Kerala. A very talented young Malayali designer. Trust me when I tell you, this guy is going to go places, and the material of the sari, it just flatters you because it's so soft and so, I don't know what material it is, I'm going to ask him, but it is such a beautiful thin material that it makes your body look much more slimmer. Then the second sari that I wanted to show you is from this girl called Priya, who owns Sri Vastralia. So Ashiana and company had this bridal exhibition where, you know, Kaushal Beauty to Sabyasachi, everyone was there, Tarun Telyani, and I wore this sari which she gifted me. So it's like an orange sari with this Buddha imaging right over here at the, you know, at the pallu. The amount of people that came forward asking me where I got this, it is, I mean, it was bizarro. I had to give this girl's Instagram ID to at least about 9 to 10 girls, including Kaushal Beauty and her mother. Okay, they came up to me and they were like, this is stunning, and they took this girl's detail. They wanted to know more about it. You have to check out her Instagram handle. It's all going to be there in the info bar, but I had to include this because this is also my favorite. Now I just want to show you 3 boots to end this entire haul. The first one is this beautiful khaki boots, very Chloe-esque inspired. This is from Topshop. It was on a sale. I got it is for £45, which I got it for around 20 bloody pounds, okay, and I thought it was a bargain. The second one I got is this soft material, almost like a soft suede, okay, and this is from River Island, and it's this blush pink color. Same thing, just like how the buckle boots is, because these kind of style is very much in right now with the buckles. So yeah, I love it. I love the color as well. And the last boots that I picked up, it's my favorite. I am so happy that I got this because there's not been a day when I have worn this and people have not stopped and asked where I got these boots from, because it is that special. First of all, the color of it, it's this bright red boots, and I got this from Next. Beautiful shoe, beautiful material, very, very comfortable. I like the fact that inside of it, it's got a soft padding. I put this on Instagram and so many of you loved it. So many of you who are in the UK went and bought it. So I'm glad that you got, and it's wide fit. So that's the best part about it. So if you've got a wide feet, this is going to be your best friend. So guys, that ends my clothing haul. I hope you really enjoyed that. I know it is not much, it might be boring for you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye my loves.